In a tranquil village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a wise old monk named Master Kaito. His presence brought serenity to the community, and his teachings resonated with the seekers of truth and enlightenment. One day, a young villager named Aiko approached Master Kaito with a heavy heart. "Master Kaito," Aiko began, "I find myself constantly being used by others. I feel like I give so much, yet I receive so little in return. How can I navigate this world without allowing people to take advantage of my kindness?" Master Kaito smiled, his eyes reflecting the wisdom acquired through years of introspection and understanding. "Aiko, my child, let me share with you the 8 secrets to not letting people use you. These are not mere words, but guiding principles that will empower you to navigate the intricate dance of relationships and boundaries. Secret 1. Know your worth." Master Kaito led Aiko to a small pond surrounded by cherry blossom trees. "Look into the water," he said. "See your reflection, and understand that you are a unique and valuable being. Before you can prevent others from using you, you must recognize your worth. Only then can you establish boundaries that honor your true self." Secret 2. Set boundaries with compassion. As they strolled through the village, Master Kaito explained the second secret. Like the river that knows its banks, you must define your limits with compassion. Boundaries are not walls. They are bridges that allow the right people into your life, while keeping the wrong ones at bay. Learn to say no with love, for it is an act of self-respect. Secret 3. Listen to your intuition. On a hill overlooking the village, Master Kaito pointed to a field of wildflowers. "Just as these flowers follow the sun, let your intuition guide you. Your inner voice knows the path to authenticity. Trust it, for it will warn you when someone seeks to exploit your kindness. Listen closely, and you will find the strength to say no when necessary." Secret 4. Cultivate self-compassion. In the peaceful courtyard of the monastery, Master Kaito spoke of the 4th secret. To prevent others from using you, you must first stop using yourself. Cultivate self-compassion, and be gentle with your own heart. When you truly love and care for yourself, you become a fortress of strength, impervious to the manipulations of others. Secret 5. Embrace detachment. As they ascended a mountain path, Master Kaito gestured toward the valleys below. To avoid being used, embrace detachment. Like the mountain, stand firm, yet allow the winds of change to pass through you. Do not cling to attachments, for they are the chains that bind you to the will of others. Be free, and let your inner peace be unshakable. Secret 6. Learn the art of saying no. In the bustling marketplace, Master Kaito and Aiko observed the ebb and flow of the crowd. The 6th secret is simple yet profound, Master Kaito said. Learn the art of saying no. It is not a rejection of others, it is a declaration of self-respect. When you say no with conviction, you create space for authenticity and honor your own needs. Secret 7. Seek reciprocity. They sat in the shade of an ancient tree, its branches whispering tales of centuries past. Reciprocity is the key to harmonious relationships, Master Kaito explained. Give, but also receive. Surround yourself with those who appreciate your kindness and are willing to reciprocate. In balanced relationships, you will find fulfillment and mutual growth. Secret 8. Practice mindful presence. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow across the landscape, Master Kaito revealed the final secret. In all your interactions, practice mindful presence. Be fully engaged in the present moment, and you will discern the intentions of others. By staying present, you empower yourself to make choices aligned with your values, preventing others from taking advantage of your kindness. Aiko listened attentively, absorbing the wisdom Master Kaito shared. The 8 secrets to not letting people use you became the guiding stars in Aiko's journey toward self-discovery and empowerment. With each secret, he forged a shield of resilience and cultivated a garden of meaningful connections. In time, the village witnessed a transformation in Aiko. Her steps were more purposeful, her smile more genuine, and her heart more open. Through the teachings of Master Kaito, Aiko not only learned to navigate the delicate dance of relationships, but also became a beacon of inspiration for others seeking the path to true selfhood. And so, in the tranquil village between the rolling hills and babbling brooks, the wisdom of Master Kaito continued to ripple through generations, a timeless legacy of empowerment and self-respect.